For billions of years, Earth has been inhabited by various forms of life, such as single-celled organisms and complex organisms like us humans. And since humans were evolved to be very intelligent, our human minds have begun to wonder about the conception of life and the conception of the Earth itself. Many great minds have come to explain this, so I shall explain it to you in brief. But to really understand how the Earth was formed, we need to go to outer space. The Big Bang. 13.8 billion years ago, the birth of the universe, expanding from a point of infinite density and heat called a singularity. 380,000 years after the Big Bang, you would see the first hydrogen and helium atoms form. But still, that was not enough, since life required heavier elements than hydrogen and helium, which those would not form for another 100 million years. Stars like our Sun will die quietly as their layers expand into space, leaving behind a white dwarf and a planetary nebula. Stars with at least 8 times the mass of our Sun, they die out with a bang. Unlike low-mass stars like our Sun, which fuse hydrogen into helium, helium into lithium, all the way until carbon, high-mass stars fuse all the way until iron. But since the fusion of iron does not produce energy, the star collapses in on itself within seconds. The resulting explosion is the most powerful in the universe. So powerful, in fact, that it creates new atomic nuclei, a supernova. This is where elements heavier than iron are mostly formed, such as zinc, silver, tin, mercury, uranium, gold, etc. The cycle of star deaths and star births continue until 5 billion years ago, where our Sun was born out of a cloud of dust and gas known as a nebula. Now, with all these elements present in the Earth's formation, it was still missing one crucial requirement: water. And then, 3.5 billion years ago, life begins.